Ever wonder how top creators instantly swap their faces into hilarious viral memes or cinematic videos without any complex editing software? I just discovered the ultimate shortcut, and it takes literally 2 clicks. Okay, let's have a look at how ridiculously fast I can turn a face into a video. All right, so let's show you guys how this works. So in the face swap section here, we're going to go to video face swap and show you how cool these features are. I have to say, this is like one of my favorite AI tools that is out there at the moment. So we've got the different sections there, the upload video, the upload image, and the swap face section there. We are, of course, on our paid plan here because we are serious about this project. This is a project that we do like to use. You've got different templates below. So whether you're a girl, guy, whatever you fancy, you can go and pick between all kinds of different beautiful and attractive people and models if that is what your jam is. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to upload here this little video right now. As we can see, this is the clip here. So we've chosen the model. They're talking about some silly stuff, whatever TikTokers like to talk about these days. And what we're basically going to do is we're going to use this video image here and we're going to put my ugly mug on there, my face. We're going to put it on there and see how it looks to show you the reality and the difference. So I've always wanted long blue hair. So, you know, this is probably going to be pretty interesting. So we're going to open up the file. That's my ugly head right there. And we're going to go ahead and face swap that for 21 credits there. It's analyzing the original face, and the process here is actually really fast. That's what I'd like to say as well. Okay, so it's performing the face swap now. Fantastic, and it should just about be ready. That was all done in under a minute. Absolutely astonishing, the speed in which that is created. And wow, who's that handsome person? Okay. Don't they look familiar? Let's press play. Now, I'll let you guys answer in the comments. What do you think? Do you think that that was a pretty good replacement, my face going onto the model? It's the same thing, and I have to say, I mean, yeah, it's pretty damn creepy, but what we're looking at here is the realism and the actual swap feature. So I think that's actually pretty impressive that it's been able to swap it in such an efficient manner. You can go ahead and download it there quite easily too. And you can go and actually refresh the image to try again too. You got different areas, so you got like trending, hot, GIFs, memes, cosplay, tattoos, festival, whatever you might want to use, there is a solution there for you. Okay, so we've got different bits and bobs here. If you want to just change the images for the face swap, just in the pure image there, it's super easy to do it. Some examples there as well. Some more examples of like the meme face swapping, and some examples of, yeah, like a superhero face swap and also the group face swap as well. Now, folks, I have to say that this multi-face swap feature in the photo and the video, it's absolutely wicked. With the video one here in particular, it's actually really cool because you can actually do up to 4 faces for the video face swap. Swap up to 4 faces in any group with video AI. Natural results, guys. There's no sign up, no watermark, and you can get it posted in minutes, of course. There's funny ones like the gift face swap, for example, which is pretty cool, which I've experimented on a little bit before. You can do the photo version as well, which is really cool. Funny stuff. But as you can see, the options are there for the multi-face swap, and there's plenty of cool stuff that you can do with it. Okay, so we're going to now try out the multiple face swap video feature here. We've got my face uploaded, as we can see here on the left-hand side of screen. We've got a couple of people in the video, a couple of Asian characters here. Let's go through and have a look. So just a standard clip, perhaps from some kind of like romantic comedy or some soap from, I don't know, maybe it's Korean or something. I know they tend to love their soaps. I know I've seen a few of them. So basically we've done the upload, we've uploaded the woman image, the dark woman in the image, and then we've uploaded myself on the different sections there, as we can see. Let's go ahead and start the face swap now. All right, so as we can see, that face swap has been completed, and as you can see, the characters have been changed. So that is the woman just in front, of course, and then that's me just behind. Very interesting. I mean, that's pretty impressive. What do you guys reckon? Let me know in the comments section what you think about that. But I reckon that's actually pretty accurate. You can download that, of course, if you're happy with it. And you got the different plans there. I'd recommend yearly at $8.33. You get 20% off there as well. And yeah, it's going to get rid of your watermarks, do all that good stuff. So it's totally worth getting the paid plan, folks, in my opinion. And it's free to trial, so, make sure you get involved today. Ready to level up your memes, marketing, and social media content? Try Vidmage today for free and see the AI magic for yourself. Check out the link below to get started. Also at the very top of the description of this video and in the pinned comments.